With the BORA X BO, you can choose from a number of different functions in the menu. One of them is the Classic function. Today I will show you what the Classic is all about and for whom or when it is particularly recommended. The Classic function in the BORA X BO is great for users who want to switch from conventional ovens to cooking with steam or even reduced humidity. On the right-hand side, you can see the temperature. Here in the middle is the humidity. And here on the left-hand side, you can see 4 different cooking modes to choose from. The first one is hot air, and you can see in the middle that you can't change the humidity, which is good because hot air means no additional humidity. And here you can adjust the temperature to the recipe or your liking. And for our bread rolls, we will choose 210 degrees Celsius. The second one is baking with humidity. And here you can see that you can adjust the humidity as well as the temperature to your liking. Baking with humidity is great for stews or casseroles, like this cauliflower casserole, which needs 60% of humidity and 150 degrees. This makes it really evenly cooked and perfect. The third one is steaming, which is a very gentle cooking method. And you can see that here you can't change the humidity. You always need 100% of humidity for steaming. But you can change the temperature. And for these char fillets, you need 80 degrees Celsius and the 100% humidity to get a beautiful, flaky and perfect result. And finally, the last mode is hot air grill. And here you can see it's minus humidity and the temperature is really high. Between 200 degrees and 230 is the range where you can choose from. And for these vegetables here in the BORA grilling pan, I will choose 230 degrees Celsius, which is a very high heat, and minus 100% humidity to get the best grilling results. Especially in the beginning, if you would like to have some recommendations on which setting to choose, well, under the chef's hat you will find presets where the humidity and the temperature are already set for you. Yummy! As you can see, the Classic function is a great introduction to the BORA X BO. It makes switching from conventional ovens to the X BO smooth and easy.